I want to see something magical. Look how cute. I won't bother them again after this, I swear. Look, look, look. Let's see if we can see them. See them? Can you see them? Look. They're very fast, okay? Look at the eggs. I didn't even know they laid so many. Shit. I don't want to irritate them so much, but look. Can you see? Do you see them? The little eggs? And then let's see if you could see a little baby. There they are. Look. Can you see them? Ah! Did you see it? Let's see. Ah! Do you see them? Oh my god, I want to touch them so bad, but I know not to. Okay, sorry. Alright, I'm leaving. Anyway, it's in a pot deal. How cute is that?